Welcome to 127 Emerald Street, a stunningly remodeled home in the heart of Broomfield. This 6-bedroom, 4-bathroom gem offers the perfect blend of style, functionality, and opportunity. Step inside to an open and inviting floor plan where natural light pours in, and every detail has been carefully curated. The chef's kitchen is a showstopper, featuring sleek quartz countertops, elegant gold hardware, and trendy green cabinetry. A striking herringbone backsplash ties it all together, creating a modern and timeless space. The primary suite is a true retreat, with a luxurious walk-in shower, a double vanity, and custom finishes that add a spa-like feel. There's room for everyone, with 3 bedrooms on the main level and 3 more in the fully finished basement. But what really sets this home apart is the basement. It's a space full of possibilities. With a private entrance, its own HVAC system, and a dedicated laundry room, it's perfect for multi-generational living or rental income. If you need all 6 bedrooms, this home has the flexibility to accommodate a growing household, home offices, or guest suites. If not, you can live upstairs while renting out the basement, offsetting your mortgage while still enjoying a beautifully designed home. Outside, the backyard is a blank slate, ready for your landscaping vision. Whether you're looking for a spacious forever home or a smart investment opportunity, 127 Emerald Street is a rare find. Schedule your private tour today.